Hey guys, tired of spending hours cleaning your floors? What if a robot could do it all for you? Imagine a tiny disc-shaped friend zooming around, handling every crumb and speck of dust. No more vacuuming drama. I dove deep into the world of robot vacuums to find the best ones that actually make life easier. The tech is wild now. These robots map your house, avoid obstacles, and some even talk to you. Today, we're counting down the top 7 floor cleaning robots that will change your life, from high-end to budget-friendly. We'll break down what makes each one special, what they're good at, and if they're worth your money. So grab a snack, get comfy, and let's get into it. Meet the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus, the gold standard of robot vacuums. Its D shape reaches deep into corners, and via SLAM navigation creates smart maps for targeted cleaning. The clean base empties dirt for you, so you can forget about vacuuming for months. With powerful suction and dual rubber brushes, it tackles debris and resists hair tangles. Yes, it's pricey, but for hands-off top-tier cleaning, the S9 Plus is worth every penny. Next, the Roborock S7 Max-V Ultra, a powerhouse that vacuums and mops. Its Vibra-Rise sonic mopping vibrates the pad 3,000 times per minute, scrubbing away sticky messes. Advanced AI and a camera let it avoid shoes, cables, and even pet waste. You can check in on your home and pets through its camera. The Ultra Dock empties the dustbin, washes the mop, and refills water. True hands-off cleaning. Every session starts with a clean mop, no effort from you. It lifts the mop when it senses carpet, so your rugs stay dry. The vacuum suction is strong, making it a true 2-in-1. It's designed for homes with hard floors and frequent spills. The price is high, but you get unmatched mopping and automation. If sticky floors are your nightmare, this is your dream robot. It's for those who want spotless, scrubbed floors with zero effort. The Roborock S7 Max-V Ultra is a cleaning beast. It's the ultimate solution for hard floor messes. If you want a robot that truly scrubs, this is it. It's a serious investment, but the results are worth it. For hands-off deep cleaning, this robot delivers. The S7 Max-V Ultra is the future of floor care. Your floors have never been cleaner. Meet the Yivvac's Debot X1 Omni, the robot that looks as good as it cleans. Designed by Jacob Jensen, its Omni station is sleek, modern, and blends into any home. It self-empties, washes, and dries its 2 spinning mop pads with hot air. No mildew, just luxury. Built-in voice assistant Yivvac lets you command it directly. No Alexa needed. Advanced mapping and obstacle avoidance create a 3D map of your home. The mopping system is the star, scrubbing hard floors for a polished shine. Vacuuming is strong, but the mopping and all-in-one dock steal the show. It's perfect for those who want spotless floors and a stylish gadget. The price is premium, matching its luxury features and design. You're paying for aesthetics, tech, and convenience. If you want a robot that's both functional and beautiful, this is it. The Debot X1 Omni is a statement piece for your home. It's for people who value design as much as clean floors. The hot air drying is a thoughtful touch that sets it apart. It's a luxury cleaning experience from start to finish. If you want the best-looking robot with top-tier features, look no further. The Debot X1 Omni is your high-tech designer cleaning companion. Clean floors have never looked so good. Now let's talk value. The Yuthi RoboVac X8 Hybrid. Yuthi delivers strong performance without breaking the bank. Twin turbine suction means it's great for pet hair and deep cleaning. It mops too, though it's more for daily dust than heavy scrubbing. Quiet operation makes it perfect for homes where noise is a concern. No self-emptying dock, but you get smart navigation and solid cleaning. The price is much more affordable than the high-end models. It's the smart, sensible choice for most people. If you want a big upgrade without a big price, this is it. The Yuthi X8 Hybrid is powerful, quiet, and budget-friendly. A great all-rounder for everyday cleaning. Pet owners, this one's for you. The Shark AI Ultra Robot. Its self-cleaning brush roll prevents hair tangles, saving you from gross maintenance. The self-emptying base holds up to 60 days of dirt. Set it and forget it. Laser navigation maps your home for efficient, methodical cleaning. It's not as advanced at avoiding small objects, but it covers every inch. The price sits comfortably between budget and premium models. You get premium features without the top-tier price. If pet hair is your biggest headache, this is your robot. The Shark AI Ultra is a pet owner's dream. Low maintenance, high performance. If mopping is your main concern, meet the Bissell Spinwave robot. It's built for hard floors, with 2 spinning pads that scrub like you would by hand. Use it with water or Bissell's cleaning formulas for fresh-smelling floors. It can vacuum light debris, but mopping is its specialty. The large water tank covers big areas, and it avoids carpets in mop mode. It's quiet, focused, and leaves floors with a perfect sheen. The price is reasonable, great for those who already have a vacuum. If you hate mopping, this is your new best friend. Shiny, clean, hard floors, no effort required. Last up, the budget hero, Yivvac 2 Pro. Its oscillating mop scrubs floors far better than most entry-level robots. Carpet detection and smart suction boost make it versatile for all surfaces. Camera-based mapping is a big upgrade at this price. Modular design lets you add a self-emptying station later. It's not as powerful as the high-end models, but the value is unbeatable. Effective mopping, smart navigation, and upgrade options, all for less. If you want a smart 2-in-1 robot on a budget, this is it. The Yivvac 2 Pro is the best deal for tight budgets. Clean floors, small price tag. That's our roundup. Super smart, super scrubby, super stylish, and super affordable robots. From the Roomba S9 Plus to the Yivvac 2 Pro, there's a perfect robot for every need and budget. Think about your biggest cleaning headache and pick the robot that solves it. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments. Like and subscribe for more smart home tips. Thanks for watching. Time to let my robot get to work. Bye-bye.